for it to become stable. So when people bury nuclear waste in the wilderness, it's going to be nuclear waste for millions of years. Okay? It's not going to stabilize, and then they can dig it out and use it as lead for millennia. We might not even be around, and there'll still be nuclear waste that we have made sitting there decaying.
Do you have to
Not much feel
know
bad.
how I feel?
At any given one, you will be told.
Oh shit.
So how long is it going to take
Bro,
us to
you
know
can-
all the bees take the
You
walk?
can break the
I think it's
rocks.
like another 80 years, I can't remember. 80.
Yeah, I thought it was like thousands.
A place in Ukraine where they
Oh hell no,
It's the
they're
only
walking the
nuclear power plant that's
spiders,
not
bro.
down in catastrophe zone. Alright. Any such decay chain is only stopped by the formation of a stable nucleus. This, for uranium, this happens after 14 decays when lead-206 is formed. The two other families, formed from uranium-235 and thorium-232, create lead-207 and 208. So most of these things tend to stop at lead. Here's the sorts of questions you could get. And since we're getting close to you doing exam questions, you might as well do these two to start off with. Would you like me to read it out?
Yes, please, sir.
Alright. Nuclear transmutations caused by natural radioactivity can be represented in diagrams such as the one shown. Each symbol represents a radioactive element, and each arrow represents a transmutation. How many protons and how many neutrons are there in the nucleus of a thorium-227 atom? So, go to your periodic table, check the atomic number of thorium, do some math, and tell me the number of protons and the number of neutrons.
What thorium?
Uh-huh.
So it's 142 neutrons.
What's that?
Huh?
142 neutrons, 90 protons.
Okay. So you would write that in your book.
Yeah, that's what I just did.
Is it just 232
Yeah, literally.
And then finally, you can write the nuclear reaction. Now, who remembers writing chemical reactions
What is
in
this guy looking
grade
at?
10? And who refused to do it because they thought it wasn't going to affect them?
Wait, nuclear.
No, I just don't think
Oh,
it's
yeah, we've done that.
Alright.
Get me out of
Yeah.
here.
Why have I done the whole thing for you? Yeah. You can do the last part. So, parent nucleus, daughter nucleus, decay particle. Parent nucleus, daughter nucleus, decay particle. Arrow indicating reaction. Addition indicating things are associated with it. Mass number, proton number, charge.
Wait, I did francium turning into acid.
Huh?
So I thought it was asking. It said alpha decay.
Yeah, you're probably right. But anyway, okay, so this isn't right, fine. This isn't the answer to 2, but that's the general shape of a, So actually do it right for the alpha decay of the francium 233. But this is how you write them, okay?
I wrote HE instead of the alpha.
You can do that too. Okay, this isn't chemistry work. No, if you don't use the exact same formulation, you're wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, so everyone should be able to do the correct answer. Now, this isn't the correct answer. Because the question asks you to show me how francium decays. Which is somewhere over here. Uh-huh. So once you do that, you need to go and finish all the slides, all the question slides from 2, 6,
She wanted a PC3. Take the slider off.
Or something, I don't know.
Wait, how close are we to finishing the?
We just started the second last inquiry question.
And then we got the stuff with the stars, right?
Yeah, and that is the last inquiry question, and a lot of it's repeating stuff you did in module 7. So we only need to look at first on Russell diagram, Big Bang Theory, and yeah, then we can finally start doing revision, which you guys really need.
I'm just gonna say it's a quality issue.
What are Thorium trying to raid?
Or yeah.
Oh, answers, spoilers.
What is that? What that you made?
Alright,
Yeah.
so from the rest of the day, yeah, 263, I mean 163 onwards, you finish those questions in your books. 163 onwards. Did everyone get Francium 223, 87 goes to.
Yeah.
Oh, and you see what the little note there was? Either you write for 2 helium or you just write A.
So
Too bad I'm extra and I want to have both of them.
Cool.
Move on to 163, move on to 163, move on to 163.
Why is it?
Why is what?
Is it always healing? Because it's 2.
It's always healing because it's.
It's alpha is always. So
Yeah.
what slide is that?
So this is slide.
Also, if it was beta, it'd be hydrogen.
If it was beta, it would be an electron. And an electron, if you want me to, I'll finish writing out the rest of them. But this is slide 186. You need to go back to slide 163 and start doing those questions
Okay, please go to the bottom.
properly. Go to the bathroom. Don't take your time because you want to ask me questions.
I do not want to take time.
Now, how else do you write these things? So, mass number, atomic number, charge. From that you can infer how the rest of them are written. Electron, minus, 0, 0. If you had, or you can just write electron. Proton, which is identical to a hydrogen. Proton, one,
Proton.
1. So this is equal to this, but not equal to this. Why isn't that the same as that? Which means it has an, which means there is an. This has an electron whizzing around it, which makes it actually hydrogen proper instead of just a proton. Does that make sense, Dylan?
No.
A hydrogen atom is 1 proton with 1 electron spinning around it. If I remove the electron, I've just got the hydrogen nucleus, so I have a hydrogen ion. So that's a hydrogen ion, which means it's just a proton. So this is this, but this isn't that.
Fuck off, no.
Man, I love chemistry. What's up, Dylan?
No.
You guys really need to be getting your sleep up. I've been starting to have to go to bed like 8:30 to make sure I'm actually awake enough for school, but it's been working for me, I guess. 2 days.
I think I found something yesterday. Sitting up with my coffee.
What's the matter with you?
That's my fault. I don't usually do that. I don't know what happened.
Do you guys want me to come here for a weekend, on a weekend, to help you guys study?
What times?
I don't know. What do you people want? You're the ones who have to decide.
You
life.
people.
What do you mean by
You people.
I'm not making it clear. I'm not asking you guys to come here. Like, I'm not asking to be here. So if this is something you want, you're the one who has. You are the ones who have to be like, sir, could you come over at this day and we'll be here. That's to be your
Okay,
initiative
that's
or
good.
none at all.
Yo, that's gonna be it for this.
Frustrating us.
Be-